The first Saturday in May is a special one with the greatest 2 minutes in sports. The Kentucky Derby takes off from the historic Churchill Downs. And if you can't be at the festivities, you might as well throw a watch party. This Run for the Roses Kentucky Derby project will have you chomping at the bit to get started. So let's make it. You'll need a 3D papier-mâché or cardboard letter U, a precision carving knife, metallic paint, faux red roses, hot glue, wire cutters, black cardstock, your brother's scan and cut, a jockey and derby hat stencil. First, using your precision carving knife, carefully cut the front side of the letter off. Use slow and precise motion when following the outer edge of the letter to remove the front face. Take out the cardboard stabilizer inside the 3D letter. You should now have a hollow letter. Next, paint the outside of the letter metallic gold or silver, or even green like the garland of roses. While the letter is drying, prep the faux roses by cutting off the stems. Sometimes the flowers can simply be pulled off the stem. That makes it easy. Now paint the inside of the letter. While that's drying, cut out the image of a jockey on a horse and a derby hat from the black cardstock. Next, arrange the roses nestled inside the letter and glue them in place using your hot glue. Finally, glue on the cutout jockey and derby hat. You can make multiple rose garlands to set around for your Derby Day themed decor. And there you have it, your own garland of roses, perfect for the Derby winner circle at your party. And you're off!